Hey guys, Bobby here, and I'm on my lunch break, and I got the box. We are going to see what's in this box, and it's going to replace one of the items that I already have. And I dropped the box. Satisfying. This thing is heavy. Woo, look at that pretty thing. Let me get it out. So basically what happened, guys, is that my impulse sealer is made out of plastic, my old one. So I figured I would upgrade to a more of a, I don't know if this is aluminum or, I know this is probably stainless steel, but this is what my old one was, made out of plastic. So what happened was, after a while of pushing this thing down, it starts to warp on top, and it's very flimsy. But I will have a link down below in the description to this one. But basically this video is showing you this awesome thing, and I am about to test it in front of you and show you what it does. Alright, give me a second. So let's say you want to take a piece of plastic like this. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. And you want to put a Coke inside of it. This is for bundles, by the way. So what you would do is you would roll this side up. Alright, this is first time for everybody. We're going to turn this dial all the way up. And then, hold on, push the button. And nothing happens. Let's figure this out. Why is it not? Oh, you got to push down hard. Alright, let's do this again. Yeah, look at that. See? Sealed right up. Yes. So this thing's actually working better than what I thought it was. So basically, you do this. We'll pull it apart. Let's do it again. Usually it takes about 2 tries. There it is. And then we have a Dr. Pepper inside of a bag. To make this Dr. Pepper inside of a bag look better, you take a heat gun. You've probably seen videos like this before, but they're not as cute as mine. So we're gonna basically roll this Dr. Pepper into its own plastic sealed container. Which makes things, when it comes to bundles, look more professional. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will have a link down below to this sealer. I forgot what kind. It's called an impulse sealer. Hold on. Let me turn this around. It's called an impulse sealer, and it's so much better than this one. This one cost me about $56, I think, with Prime shipping and stuff like that. And I already think it's the better deal because this is more better as far as what it's made out of. So, oh, and it has a fuse too. This one does not. And over time, this one kind of got bad because of this warping a little bit. When you push down over time, you'll have like a more pressure on this and this rather than the middle because of how bendy it is. But quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you ever decided to create bundles on Amazon, this is what I would get. I've been doing bundles for a really long time now, and I say that it is very profitable. Hope you guys have an awesome day. All right, talk to you guys later.